What is up, guys? Jeremy here, and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect your Xbox One controller to your iOS 13 device, your iPhone, your iPad, even your iPod. This does work. It's pretty awesome that iOS 13 allows you to do this natively now. Just a little bit of information before we connect our controller, though. The Xbox One controller is supported, but it does have to be the newer version of the Xbox One controller. There's a difference right here in the top part of the controller that you can tell that it is a bit different. This faceplate basically goes all the way across. On the older controllers, it kind of comes down and there's a shiny plastic there that's not. So I'll leave a link down in the description for these newer Xbox controllers in case you guys want to pick one up so you can play iOS 13 games, supported games with it. It's pretty damn awesome. But to connect the controller, it's really simple. Just click and turn on the Xbox One controller. From here, click the pair button at the top there. So click and hold that, and as you can see, the Xbox light goes a bit faster, which means it's trying to pair with a device. So go ahead and jump into settings, go to Bluetooth, and you guys will see the Xbox controller will show up there under devices. Just give it a second here. So there it is, the Xbox wireless controller. Go ahead and select on it. And just like that, we are now connected to the Xbox One controller. Really quite simple and straightforward to do on iOS 13. It's really cool. Now I do want to add, if you guys want to see how to play retro games with these controllers, I'll leave a playlist link in the description. It's pretty sick that you can play, old, Mario, Super Nintendo games, N64, Sega, regular Nintendo, Atari, a bunch of crazy stuff. PlayStation games, you can play all these old school games. The playlist link for that is in the description, so be sure to check that out. And another useful application I wanted to show you guys here really quickly before we close out the video is this controller application. I will leave a link for this in the description as well, so you guys can download it from the App Store. But basically, it shows you all of the different games within the App Store that do support games, which is really cool. So you have your categories here, you have your charts right here. You can go ABC, you can go by price, date, you have your game charts here. So this is basically reflecting the top charts within the App Store right here. So you have your paid section. As you can see, it's not all the games because they're not all supported for controllers. Like Minecraft is number 1, Grand Theft Auto is number 9, 10, 11, 17, so on and so forth. Even in the free section here, it's basically reflecting those charts that are in the App Store, and it's filtering and showing you only controller supported games. So this is a incredibly useful application to discover and find controller supported games that are in the App Store. So like I said, the links for everything you guys will need is down in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.